This is the scooter which would be loved by the young individuals between the age group of 18 to 30 years because of its sporty appeal. Yes, this is the Honda Grazia 125 Sports Edition. Lots of sporty graphics as well as the dual tone color has been added which add to its sportiness. Hello everyone, my name is Manjot and you are watching Explore Drive.
Wake up one morning and see your face, I can feel it coming back. These shivers are every day. Whoa, I say it's over, I get out of bed and leave, yeah, just like.
Rightly coming to the front apron, which looks very much aggressive and attracts the attention towards itself. The headlight and the indicators are integrated in one setup only.
I got the shivers.
Front headlamps are LED.
Now it's like everything is fine, yeah.
And indicators are provided with the halogen bulb. On the handlebar there is a split LED position lamps which are daytime running LEDs, which reminds me of Honda Dio. Also, small visor is also there which does not block the POV during driving. The front suspension is telescopic fork suspension. Both the tires have alloy wheels and the front tire size is 12 inches. Front disc brake is also provided which delivers more confidence during the rush or traffic timings. Footboard area is quite decent. Honda branding is there on the side rails and also Italic Grazia Sports Edition branding also matches with the sporty profile. Rear suspension is the 3-step adjustable hydraulic suspension which is adjustable to 3 levels and the rear tire size is 10 inches. Grazia comes with the ESP technology which leads to proper combustion of the air-fuel mixture and provides better fuel efficiency. Also, it has a silent start with ACG feature which is similar to Activa 6G. These are the split grab rails. This is the section taillight which I believe could have been done better in terms of design. Let's open the boot space.
So it's whatever anyway, every time we try to talk, I am out of here any day. It's always something new.
This is the first aid kit and the tool kit is there. Boot space is 18 liters and I think a full size helmet can accommodate in it.
Just wanna live and live without you. Be on my own again. I got the shivers.
There are 3 more storages, out of which 2 are carry hook storages and the one is the glow box which is now spacious and made from a good quality material. For fuel, external fuel lid is provided.
It's almost nighttime, waiting for.
Stylish protection is given to the exhaust.
Scared of your eyes, looking into my eyes, scared that I'll back out and hold my breath.
This is the right side pillion footrest. Honda has also provided a safety feature, that is if you don't put the side stand up, the vehicle will not start. To control fuel lid, boot space, ignition and handle lock, a compact console in the form of multifunction is provided which is again similar to Activa 125. These are pass, indicator and horn switches. On the other side, this is the idling stop system. And below there is a self start button. Carbon fiber treatment is given to the dashboard and instrument cluster is fully digital which provides information related to speed, real-time mileage, average mileage, distance to empty, 3-step eco indicator and side stand warning. Grazia 125 comes with 6 color options: Sport Red, Pearl Nightstar Black, Cyber Yellow, Spartan Red, Matte Access Grey, Siren Blue. Now let's go for a quick drive. Engine type is fan cooled and it's a 4-stroke spark ignition engine. The displacement, which we call it as a cc, is 124 cc. Max power is 8.14 PS and max torque is 10.3 Newton meters. Fuel tank capacity is 5.3 liters. Fuel system is PGMFI, which is programmed fuel injection, which means that it now has fuel injectors instead of carburetor. Speed breakers are rightly coming there, and you can barely feel the speed breaker bumps. The scooter just glides or flows over the bumpy roads. The ride quality has been improved because of the telescopic fork suspension and 12-inch tire. Length of the vehicle is 1829 mm. Width is 707 mm. Height is 1167 mm. Legroom or the footboard area is quite spacious. If your height is 6 feet, your knees will not touch the interior part. Now let's check the turning capability. Believe me, maneuver capability of this scooter is outstanding. Wheelbase is quite decent, which is 1260 mm. Curb weight is 108 kg. Seat height is 708 mm. Mileage is approximately 44 kmpl. Before I tell you about the price, there are total 3 variants: standard, deluxe and sports edition. The standard one will cost you around 75,000. Deluxe variant will cost you around 82,000. And for the sports edition it will cost you around 82,500.
Gotta get this right, I'm scared to death. Scared of your eyes looking into my eyes, scared that I'll...
So this was all about Honda Grazia 125. If you really find this review insightful, do like, share, comment and also subscribe to the Explore Drive channel, and also don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Link for it will be in the description. Thank you so much.
Think about you.